Hello everyone, welcome to your video. A lot of ideas about garden which you can choose from these ideas. There are numerous ways to decorate your garden and the possibilities are endless. There are some garden decoration ideas to get you started. Number one is water feature. Adding a water feature such as a fountain or a pond can add a relaxing and twinkle touch to your garden. You can place it in the center at the garden or corner of the garden. Number 2 is garden status. Garden status can be used to create a focal point and visual interest of to your garden. You can choose from the wide variety of the designs such as classical, modern and also abstract. Number 3 is garden lighting. Lighting can be used to highlight the feature of your garden and create a magical ambience of at the night. Use solar lights, starting lights and spotlight to create a variety of effects. Number 4 is garden furniture. Garden furniture can also help to create a cozy and comfortable atmosphere in your garden. You can add a bench in a swing or a set of chairs and a table depending upon the size of your garden. Number 5 is garden art. You can add some personal touches to your garden by incorporating art pieces such as mosaics, painted blocks and metal sculptures. Number 6 is plants and flowers. The beauty of plants and the flowers cannot underestimatable. Choose as a variety of plants and flowers with the different colors which is created by the visuality appealing by the garden. Number 7 is garden signage. Add a personal touch of your garden by including signage that you reflect your personality. You can make by the dye garden signs using wood and chalkboards. Number 5 is garden trellis. A trellis can be used to create a archway or the entrance to your garden. You can use it to grow climbing plants and such as rose, chimneys and many. These are the few garden decorating ideas to get you started. The key is to creative and have to fun. If you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button of 90 Addiction YouTube channel where you can find a lot of ideas and keep screenshot to take the advantages of this video. So now the garden decorating with the plants is the excellent way to create a beautiful and a unique outdoor space. Here are the some garden decorating ideas using plants. Vertical gardens. Number 1 is vertical garden. Create a living wall or creating vertical garden using plants like a ferns, like a skirting, like a trailing vines, and you can use a wooden or a metal frame to create a unique design and display your plants in a creative way. Number 2 is flowering shrubs. Plants serving shrubs like hydrangeas, azaleas and lilcakes to add a color and texture to your garden. Your plants bloom in a various colors. You can create a visualizing appealing landscaping by the plants them in the groups or rows. Number 4 is edible garden. Incorporate an edible garden by plants, herbs, vegetables and fruit trees. You can create a vegetable garden in the raised beds or add fruits trees to your existing landscape to create a functional and a beautiful garden. Number 5 is window boxing, which is window boxing is the man adding in the garden. Create a window box garden using plants like gardenias, petunias and pansies. These plants are perfect for the adding color of to your windows sill or a balcony. Overall, garden decorating with the plants is the excellent way to create a beautiful and a unique outdoor space. If you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button of 90 Addiction YouTube channel where you can find a lot of ideas, many more ideas which you can decor our home, decor our garden and decor this moral world. So like the video and click the subscribers button of 90 Addiction and can't forget to press the bell icon for latest or more interested video. Choose the plant that are suit your garden conditions and your personality, your personal preferences, and have fun to creating a beautiful and functional garden. So these are the many ideas which you can like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button of 90 Diction YouTube channel where you can find many ideas. So the phone number I can forget it in this video. Which can I say here? These are just the few garden decorating ideas to get you started. The key is to be creative and have a fun. Garden decorative with the plants is an excellent way to create a beautiful and a unique outdoor space. Here are some garden decorating ideas using the plants and the flowers. These are the tips to get